soke onia. But when you move bokuta no work ya mo soke because why? I have done nothing wrong to you. Who say Webona? Who say Webona for the first time? Ima kporu no sigbowe. Ima we one day soke. Ima do exist because of the evil who that me bigger Africa. I stay on my own. I was alone. Isuwa is my weakness. Who were that phone? We never knew why I'm not bad. Una call him any rebayan. Una call him una way. Where gui lao me and you were forgive me. It is you will see a no talera viri ya mi your panumata una mu ko bebe nene kone e getma mu no in Nigeria una mu bebe una mu bumia adiowa una ga so ba we viva una we ni la ni forgive you e dina gbapan e dina be vigwe ya o we palome edina vigwe ga toge soke wa fe boye mi ya fe ni tana ina toge edivi soke ina toge isoke na bumya ajo wana ga so na imia me ediwe ni lawo ediga ve togo bi ave vempo eriwa ya bumya ajo wa ina wo isoke forgive you we do divi we na no viore de bako we na he forgive you we wana wadwa ona ga beg me la oteme o se me we best friend me we this forgive me la gogo ina wo case okay fine since udare na do kama me we o wa duro yen yeje we ge be ni yare ona tama me won ye na tabe social media but o ga no wa be tale ya be social media. Understand any yare otia ogun yo be yebiri yo boni e be ni si wa na eni asie ni na u ve ni ga u ege ni la go ga ri go gin yo ga yin e wivo ifu se yen be the picture me ari do bo be ya fe na we so kan na wa wicked here na wo ke since wa lo mi ajo wa do beg me we ya na do advice sokin akon advice sokin now say this Europe you dey so since you dey aduro as abe no make problem o try me you get your document e ona do ta we that finye a level re marry strong or that we na when we that same audion okwe bogo very bene edi Austria edi kaje because again is okay ka friend ne edi ya misoke no ya misoke na Benin mostly they talk and they talk Benin English so no they hear no verse you understand again ne soke ka friend no Austria no bo wa ye pantry road o wa na dina ya twe osio eni no ke Austria ni o wa ni na misoke eva edi soke o ri o wa ya toast soke wo go piave soke na wa re we mani na wa re mi na wa re ari o go dion ebe 40 soke obo kana ka wi yon nya wa no ga je be boundary road be bani ni gwa ogo bo kan no that is ogo dion no wa ni bi avi moto ni obo kan mi ro pa ene san shishi egu boni san ene egwe banki ego lidara we understand it now but na wa fi eyan gbe na wa fi eyan soke na wa seke na wa aja na wa reni na wa le ariwo ojo isoke yi ga re ba ni ne already na na do miewe e di we pe imoto wa ni bi ya stay ye wan room va e di me €1 e me mi ro pa and o ti eni odion o be mu e di we la webo ifu se o ti eni oye we do mu soke we adie webo soke bi vie unu so igatoge Bible now. Go and give me Bible. Let them bring Bible for me because you got told it. Then me go to oh, matter me ya go wa ve on se no salobo na expose every day. E see it because who go mega age una bumi ade don't come inside my this thing. Go. A Bible now, you got told a Bible. La go no me. Who know me? Because I hear Bible told and Yanitana. You understand it now? On a to explain me ya fe. On a to explain them, maybe ne audio ya munye la webo with a co ya fe uge boge or continue. all low ona be lo above ye above of your country ni no to ta wi yen gi lo ye kena ugegboge isi wa talk ya so when we got talk a Bible now no me because a Bible may believe we understand it now so evanie ona jevi ugegboge si wa vi ugegbogo vi suwa ege ni si wa bi ama bo edian ona ya na ya mo ya de o ise ma na no iwere o be do bu odi wa dori rio boye omo no wo ha megwa ama na mi na ya rie even ne understand how de na wa o teme yeti wo nivo at least ni be mo se ma na ne gwe be nwina we ka bo serious yi nwina no gwe nwina ngwe mi na to bu gwe be gwale bu gwe me be ya sene it's okay if you say it's okay ga call me kama me ya be phone ve gani o di ona ma dano o ga si e no mana we e bi na ka mi si wa we ka mi so ke we o bo ka e ke ti ta me we na we aso agwe o etin ye ugegboge ya vi we bi we la mana I ma so wi ya me gbe ko be ri oni ida we be ni e be uso ene na o be se ona ti me we ya wi ya be mare wi ya ri ebeni ya na ri dem makio ya mare isoke understand before you get the wo gri ademi no isoke ya lebe ba ya re no ya isoke ya pa waru mi ni aga je bi ni bie ga uno o isoke oga o ma ve o na ni kedere ado isoke o na ni gini mo ta ne be social media rudivie waru mi ni aga je be ba ya ojinya ya adie because even no sazega awu ni aga awu that will be a cunning ga no jinya ya pack ya adie dia edi toge o toge ogboge ogba yunu iga toge babo na ugeme babo na ugeme mi ya nitana so ni toge go gwa mefo so manado so evani ona bumia dona do imi ame yana do gbe 4 good days wo wa be 4 days yan gbe wo wa be 4 days so it's okay imo gbe no ya pa ina do vi abupon ladian ina do vi oni sokin ga toge e babo na ugeme ina do mu to ladian ge ni be kin to wo wa ege ni you ma o about this 30k different kind of hair ga ahien vegeni so ina do mu one golden color la de ina do retouch so kento ina do fise with on ina do ona we I to na ina we ti janu e worry o ikin pa ina ti e to tena with my sister when we family order for when that we ma we ya wa attack wo ma down here now we prove you wrong we ma we make sure we when we ya do right na na ye na go me na we try and we make sure we pay the life for we no ga help ya ne wo ya fe do ibe wa gbon ma be we bona e greedy e wu wa okuku gbe because we bona we do wa me wo na we get mistake in me make imanu we make we understand the mena ina we la gbogbo vision me la wa mo oyirigo try no make sure we nu ga ukugbe as husband and wife we understand blog any yes I'll block why not block any rubbish comment I go block you enter house before make I just remove this person comment I don't block you, William. Why soon we the never by William? Idiot. You understand me? So I can't sit it okay. If I lie, Bible they with me. Make this Bible. May judge me. I not sabi lie. That make God they always they vindicate me. Anything for this life. God they always they dey my back. They help me. They go. You understand? Because now this one that be my power. So as I was saying, now come advice is okay. Now it's okay because you know VJ me yagelegwa. They go come they call me if they go office if they do anything. So I come advice is okay. We come they play. So it's okay. Come born that pikin. Where it's okay. Come born that pikin. Since he don't come meet me explain, I don't see the whole situation the way it be. Me come still go greet is okay for Munich. If you see the house where they everywhere they smell like shit, it's okay be when it's okay. Why they ask for morning till night? It's okay why? Or why go me na go beer? Or it's okay why? Or why toge? o wa toge oni soke wa isoke ize call me ogbesu iwe la wo ya ti iwe ogbesu o be call me ya mu wa wen ibori mi o wa ro pa ti ewe ma na immunity na bori igbe igwe soke ya ti iwe gbe because me ti gba refund o de we ma clean no wa we ma live I know we me we understand the man igwe soke we aya we o we ti ye wa mo ye speaker we gba mo ye speaker wa we mi nu understand na vatana inyo ogyo ta eri ono na u eri ono na ma u eri ono ameno me malake gba we ta love video you understand me so ina do ari emi ni ko ina ya tu isokan yihia ina dele mi ina dele na see na ya tu omomo na mugie my sister they never fit advise the self mona listing na so now I can't go there when I can't reach there now I can't say it's okay, ya we see san ya yo ya fian time now it's okay why ya gwalo 109 ma this is child abuse wa silo mo ye wan room na ya gwiama it's okay na we rude be na no ya mari eniye oda fian gwa oni agwari ebe niye ne ya gwalo wa do gwa bere Munich. Understand that was our talk that time and now okay you know what soon no na soke e man na make you get something because me lo kakabo if we yan ga anything e jo kati me ne wa and now we ni wa veti we giving ya ve je dia so ina to ya to is okay we Munich you he is so okay wetin ye rave shop he got toge e bible na no me va son do me va 20 ina toge so ke na wetin ye rave shop na we to rave shop we ni ya bie living ye na ye mae de papa si de we de papa si we boa if we are say gbe magiti ye wa do le vio he got toge bible na uno me God if I'm lying what I'm saying now God please let me not have peace this okay man arabo da o me it's okay now in rave shop be Munich you know why you know oh amu me you know we me ra debe na because in the consequences wara ebewe umiwe wara na we onye mo ma o yen mo ma ni egwori ni le ni ari shop ni yen ma bebe ni ya we so ke na wa mo kinda vagi ona wa fie la we the shop or if fie la we the shop na wa view you go na me na ye ko ya muja ye onuro ogwi me gwa left ogwo hamu me gbe so ke na wa pake e magi mo papa so na vie ya na do mo vie nya obi na do jowu we e no na so ke na wo gwa gele we na wa ye giya mu we de ni ya mu we ya do we be ya da we be ji o we left we ro ya do bo mo ya egwe black hin no de no na black ni no right back come for you o no right back comment for anybody wey right back comment I go block you because I'm a YouTube now for your but I don't want more people here you understand me so another view another view so gwa hije me na ya o na we so we gwara na we yen be mu we o we ri yen ya wo o go areva ta do gwa ligo ado pe po mu yo ko areva nia na we are you sure ona okay ona na me na amu ha meke pe if meke pa say e wallet me ga amu e ya koki we pillowcase you understand because na wo ku no wara na wa ye oji ya koki vie you understand speak Bini I'll speak Bini I not speak English again you understand na wo ku na no wa ye no wa joji ya koki vie na God forbid brother yen wa be koko na with him mona before meke idokpa ye ibayare udoni understand aye man na ibe dogwi me ibe jere mi no we see ezore ina be dokpa mama I ga me gbe for long o till a woman pa be to call him from a Munich ona we edi yen ri go na edi no ya gwen odafiyen di moto edi gwen yen we imoto yen go ma di moto we imoto ni eri yen gwedi eri maybe na ya explain eri odafiyen ri go na edi ona we yen mi moto we back no go na mi moto we yen ya do na eri odafiyen ri 2000 plus in edi ma eri eni go ni yen me ni ya yen na be gwe since so kan se me no ni la go ni gwe. So that was the second time my baby yagun. You know where you go na gie inya understand. Meanwhile, it's okay already time me way. My sister I not like you a kindergarten ero saze or ye because when we not see any ayasun a kindergarten ero saze ya marere rie pene It's okay. So you're now okay since where so you kinda get it where so you kinda get it. Where it's okay to collect with a near the mofi. Oh yeah, it's collected because only a year 3 years. We understand the now. It is okay. Iyari ni edinia edina collect kinda get. Tin today edio ye collect kinda get. Yorigo ni soken. Isoke mebe na ya lue bako mati yebi. Amwere dedi yo na. Isoke mebe na ya mo iga toge oli Bible na ogbe me. You stay. Where is your phone?
It's charging.
I can go that side. Go and stay that side. You understand? Holy Bible now no in that toge. So if I read today, I did maybe na yari go your automatic. Honestly, what I mention no water. This is the worstest shit I've ever seen in my life. It's okay. Here go nije ije. Oh we other for what go ni other for okay no. If ke mother money igi your mo na rie no mo ve wo na. Ediorio edi isoke meve na ya a bank card like a wallet in na Casey, please give me my wallet. A wallet me bank card in me go me a kinder get or give me I save niya I was save niya I got to okay na a babo na no me a babo na need to gwalo bagbona imio okpi akpara amie me a kinder get of over me more when no jeve because you know that from young when I can't make them I'm rated in a john now a rated of young better biju then any gwalo man in block your generation. Ni gwalo ni block iwe nu bel agbon. We understand it now. He got toge the Bible na no me. He man na toge a Bible na here no soke. Until it's okay don't let them social media do a confess we oh a fake life in nigga atamu wa forgive me please. I was lying, deceiving you people. I supposed to tell you people the truth. I supposed to tell you people the truth so that you will not make mistake and scatter your home. My husband is the one holding my money. Where me I will be saying, Daddy, come and give me money. If somebody come and greet, it's okay. Oh man, I do twist okay, it's okay, but say Daddy, they go me or that for me. Okay, no. Yaga can't is okay. Do what me go for? Wayaga can't is okay. Do what me go ve? I can't is okay. It's okay, maybe not your account. Eddie. Igo money so kemie dio collect igo money igo ko na very no ko adabie rudedi isoke now go operation 5 times. Oh ye be there gbe worry very soon because where a money e ko wane very soon you reduce the money ni amie so okay right na me we bana di go de gbe ya mo se to no ka be tagbera ne ona de gbe mwere because egeni no ya teme shentroni yan wa pay ne o wa collect because they tell another neutral person wa ladian ona wa do tag we shetro must stop yin we fake person o ma no toge o ma no we voting I will just accept it. I will just accept it. Di ne criminal di no blackmail man if you me to be me di give blackmail me e be na wa me no yo gbe men of your bay, eti no ke village la wepo. Oge me do ku me la wa be wepo. Eti emineti u me emineti u me eti ai me mi pa neti ma u me eti na ono ku mo to me no gwalo. Okay, we single mother must marry. Single mother no we marry. We wa be zakiyan wa. Eri ju azeno, eri ra azeno, eri lare o ime no gbe be na. God forbid that wala yo megbere o alwana era no roa. Who we ateri era no roa be ba is okay. We lare ime don't know what ave na. Era no roa. Because me marry ne. Okay, we do have social media. Erie agamie ya wefe mu agwaye. Isoke no we oba market ring brody. Isoke. If you get €2 200 naira we we soke very ni. Divya gbe wo pa no ma we soke. Di wa gbe wo pa no ma we soke. Won we no ma also bu down odo yakin na. Heo. Okay, when I like that to atie bone, mave, avi kwere, uladzia, uati, eri wanona, anyone double wa. Wejene women say, Dimofi. Enugwegi women say, why are Gyogima? Why Sisi ona, and why I want on a no one who are soon gele. There to gele ya Gyogwa, or dog women or Siafera your work be, a bound you get boy a one what to do buffo nana, I don't know one way bona, in law way. Ove moto ni nu ma be nu ye ke uwede ye kwa edi uwede ye una mu gboto una morere gboto why is it that if I know e go ma here do I judge my people where they wash me abeg edi mo na no dey listen to your advice again because all wetin they do na they preach for una is okay no dey seeking that gate for her. You not see children money for her one day. You not see money for her one day. Me so que kon swear babo. Me so que kon swear babo. E continue so que ve vio euro. O woman pani ati so ko ve Munich. Iso que go there. Iso que go there. O ma sa onigi si o sa na wi ya arrest ravije wo kwana mo dey social media. E di ya so social media. Ona we ya atawo human trafficking no. E no blackmail ma vie ma no e go next year. Let a real person, genuine person, a woman of God, a man of God come out and preach it. Oh man, no boy clean. Not your hand is too dirty, Eddie. You are too red. You are too red. Everything you are accusing people of, you are doing it. Eddie vie gets a val like Germany mana. Again in a vianti again, vianti again. Oba talk by ege joy. Ega no ya ata okay yan bad working ni kugbe. Oba talk by hotel. Evini agba kugbe no. Deti me wabe won bo we mi wabe laga ni wabe yari yo jamais because why? Ebi no ma so ripi wagbona. Wayani ya lele divege ni kwa kwa na pe dijo. Wa mata medigwe lare nyawe charity begins at home. If you really you are happy, you want to work for the betterment of Edo State, you start within yourself first. Even around do where who can see la Janet before you now start with others. No where keke manile not to wepa or government they will see them. You are not happy, you are worsening the whole issue. You were worsening name ya. You are a betrayer, you are a criminal, you are a woman beater. Here kelebe me dokpa dina kele risokere ona kele gbe awo panaru. Awo panaru. So can I watch him? Oh wow, me waru. Igi mare. Na wa. What's no na ruwa o. Vi yan se manane. Every bugbe. Ya tite ya be na ya ye good video be yo. Wo kuku we rude imami ni ati eboge edine. Not your mention chona. Ti today ebo na different. Ebo not ye be na girlfriend oge. Ime wen abo edi hin obo. Elbow editing. Ebony,